Hey everybody, so this is just a quick recording to show you what to do once you have your entry form done for your green or pink cards. So I've actually completed the whole entry form and I've gone back to the main menu, and now I see this that says large group entry cards. And you'll notice I have all of my entries listed, but the one thing that's missing is the thing that says completed. So if I tried to print my cards now, they wouldn't. So what you need to do is you just need to click on your entry cards, and it's going to bring it up, and you can go to the application form and it's going to bring up your entry card. This is also a good place to double check what you want to do. And for some reason my approximate time did not come back over, so let's just say I do that, and it then should say I should say submit entry card once I have everything done. So I submit my entry card. It looks like this. This is not what you want to print out. I go back to my main menu, and you'll notice that it says completed after that. So once I've gone through and I continue to application form, make sure everything's okay, I hit submit entry card and off it goes. I go back to main menu. Once I have all those done, I can then come down here where it says print all cards, and then I just hit the print all cards. It's going to bring up all my cards, hopefully. And then once that's loaded, you can print from there. Now it's only going to show 2 of my cards because only 2 of my cards are completed. So if you're missing some entry cards, please make sure you go back and make sure it says completed after all of these. That's an easy way to do that. Also, once you get your printed cards all done and you print them out, if you have more than one ensemble acting, if you can like number them, like number 1 or A or B or whatever, and then go back, and where they're double entered, like if say Micah's in my ensemble acting and I've got this is ensemble acting number 1, I just go and do it over here. That helps with people who are doing the green cards later on in your district site. All right, so that's basically what you need to do. Thanks.